All right, so Nathan, what would you say is the difference between long-term care planning and traditional long-term care insurance?
Traditional long-term care insurance I would say it's a use it or lose it proposition. You pay in premiums, a lot of premiums over an extended period of time, and you hope you never need to use it. Um, Long-term care planning is planning for the elder care journey. We're all on a journey, and if we're in the second half of life, we're in what we refer to as the elder care journey. And I like to distinguish estate planning, traditional estate planning, from long-term care planning. You know, a traditional estate planning plans for one point in time, and that is the point in time when we pass away, and it's planning for what happens with my stuff when I die. Long-term care planning is more comprehensive planning for the entire elder care journey. Not only what happens with my stuff when I die, but what happens if I don't die, if I just live a long time. And that's a reality for most of us, that we're going to live a long time. We're living longer and longer. And with the blessing of long life comes a unique set of challenges. And having a plan in place and the documents in place to help navigate that elder care journey is vital. Uh, if we're independently wealthy and paying for the cost of that care out of our pocket, it doesn't worry us at all. We know that we could absorb 5, 10 years in a long-term care setting, and that's not going to leave a spouse impoverished. That's not going to take options off the table for us. Then we don't so much need to worry about that. But if we, if we're like most folks, um, and the thought of paying for long-term care that could realistically deplete our savings and threaten our security, our financial security in retirement. That's most of us. And for those of us that is the case, we really need to have a plan in place to make sure we keep as many options on the table, make sure we don't leave a spouse impoverished, make sure we don't needlessly have all of our assets and savings exposed to the cost of long-term care if we don't have to have that.